Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and today we have finally another Temu package. Because it's been a while, because as you know, I will not pay £15 every time, especially if I don't really want a lot of things. So if you ever see a break from Temu, it's because that lock's on. They have this game where they'll like put the minimum lock on, then the minute you order, they'll put it on again, and then they take it off, put it on, take it off, put it on, and it's so aggravating. But finally we have these lovely leaves, and I do just want to give a shout out to Crazy Louise Borges, because she actually did a video, I think it was yesterday, of a little lantern, and she's got some of these leaves. They might be different from my ones, but these are the leaves. They look pretty good. I'm not going to be able to test them at the moment because I haven't got any backwood for it, because obviously they're all took up with the clocks and stuff, you know, like the wall clocks for the living room, the kitchen. So yeah, it is battery powered, as you can see, and you're going to need yourself a AA battery. But as you can see, they're very lovely, and you've got like a little light on the back here. So interesting, they're actually just stuck on. I would have thought they'd be like up at like a little sheath, and then obviously you get another leaf covering it. But yeah, these are very nice. So as you can see, you've got some orangey ones. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I think you've got 5 of the reds. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So they look really nice. So I'm going to put them out for display for the Halloween thing, because obviously it's Halloween and it's sort of autumn as well. So these are perfect. It's lovely when you're walking through the park or you're walking down the road and you see all them leaves on the floor, and it's all lovely and crunchy. I love walking on crunchy leaves. So there's my leaves, finally. So that's them. The next thing is, as we all know, diamond painting. So let's get into this one here. And this was a 20x20. And it is one of them ones that have been on my wish list for a while. And in here we have the return of the gorgeous little puppies. So this one just reminded me of Ellie, which is Lazy Retired Granny's dog, because she's got a very sweet dog, and she's sort of that colouring. So this is a 20x20, it's 16 colours, and can I just say, I have found custom paintings on Temu. You can actually now order custom paintings, so I have got one being prepped and made, so fingers crossed it comes out good. I did speak to my friend and she said to go about 40x40 to get a good size on it, so hopefully Temu could be the company that gets it right. But anyway, there we go. So that's the little dog, and it looks like she's swimming in what looks to be water, and then she's got flowers, because if we look up here you can see it's like in a pool or something. So really like that. So that's that one. We've got our standard tray, as you can see, and then we'll go into our drills. So these are the drills, and as you can see, get them out of there. And these are beautiful. So you've got like a brownie colour, a couple of purples there, a couple of pinks, a sort of apricot-y colour, bluey grey, a sort of vanilla colour, grey, very sort of autumny burgundy red there, grey, a black, a sort of pinky colour, another sort of grey, hinted green, I should imagine, blue, and a pink. So that's them ones. Okay, so let's get into the next thing now. Now, I'm going to try and get this up as best as I can. I'm being very careful here. It's quite a big one, this one. I have seen this, and it is a sheep, but this is quite a funny one. Because it is a sheep, but I've just noticed there's a lovely border on this. Look at that. Don't get many with borders on, do you? But this is, oh my god, look at the size of them. Bloody hell, they're big. Oh wow. We have got ourselves the Christmas woolly jumper sheep. It's a sheep that's wearing its lovely little woolly jumper. And I went a bit larger with this. I think they do a 20x20 as well. But look at that. Can we just take on board that the actual border is on this? So that tells me, as much as I like to put washi tape on and then trim all that off, but that fancy pattern, we don't get an awful lot crop up with patterns on. So I will probably keep that on there and not cut it. The symmetric is quite a large symmetric as well, but there's just so much colours going on in this. It is obviously a Christmas sort of sheep because you've got the green, the snowflake on the jumper there. She's even got little boots. Look! Oh wow, that is brilliant. Oh wow, she's gonna have warm feet by the looks of it. But as you can see, and she's got a little lovely woolly hat on, so yeah, I had to have it. Had to have it. I'm getting tongue-tied here. Standard boat again, so we'll put that to one side. But that was 30x30, and I was just like, I've so got to have this. So let's take a look at the crystals, or the drills, because I have noticed there's quite some big ones in here. So, oh my god, we've got marquees as well. So, oh, crystal vibe, guys. Look at this. We've got silver, we've got cherry red, we've got a green, a couple of greens there actually, another silver, a blacky sort of silver, a silver marquee. I'm not sure what you call these, pearls maybe. We've got a white one, a red one. Oh no, look at them. Okay, that's interesting. Can you see? I don't know if you can see, but can you see how the drill looks like it's got like a white, like powder substance on there? Oh dear. Okay, I don't know if that's just dust and perhaps they need to be washed, but you see it's like got this white like stuff on it, so that's not very good. Because that looks clean and then this one doesn't. And also on the, oh my god, look, that's terrible. Look at that. It's like white shit on the drill. Oh man, what is that? I'll give him a wash, but I don't think that's... Ooh. Or is it just like a distinct marking maybe? I don't know. Oh, that's disappointing because when you look at these, they haven't got them on there. I mean, some of them look dirty as well. I don't know, but that is not nice looking at that. That's, okay, I'm a bit disappointed. I'll have to look into that because we've got a problem here. I could report that as a, you know, like a damage, but the problem is once I open it and wash them, it could not be damaged. I mean, we're round about there. It looks like up here there's like dust or something in the actual bag. So that is not the best of drills. I mean, look at that. That's actually got a scuff mark on it. So I don't know about that one. We might have to pull that. I don't know. But that's that one. And then last in this, sorry, no, I've got another one here. Oh, Jesus. Behind me. Oh, let's do a small one next. So we'll get our small one next and do that. Now, I went for this, which is a lovely bubble tea rocket. And I'm sure I've got this before. I can't remember, but I remember unboxing this before. Did I? Or was it? I don't know. I think it was me, or maybe it was another channel, but I can't remember if I just have this vibe that I've unboxed it before. But as you can see in here, we have a lovely little, oh wow, that's gorgeous. Look at that. That is a rocket. Okay, so it's an upside down rocket. We've got the planet here. I think that's, is it Saturn, the one with the ring on? And then we've got Earth here. That's probably Mars. But I think they don't class Pluto a planet anymore, do they? So we've got a beautiful, beautiful rocket here. Absolutely gorgeous. 17 colours, and it's one of them bubble ones, so it's going to really pop. Standard tray again. And as you can see in these drills, you see they're going to be really sort of colourful and stand out. So that is going to look really shiny, especially with that blue on it. So we'll put that to one side. And let's take a look at our drills here. So these are our drills. And as you can see, they look fan-daddy-dozy. So as you can see, we've got the silver and a red, and a yellow. You see the difference with that sheep? These are so clean, but I don't know what to do on that. I'll speak to Tessa. She might have some spares, but I just don't like the way that they're covered in that white stuff. I don't know what it is. I mean, I can try washing them, but I think it's actually stuck on the drill. It's like a marking of some sort. But anyway, we got that icy blue. Oh, that's nice. And look, yeah, that, I'll tell you what, guys, that's going to pop like no tomorrow. Look at that. Absolutely stunning blue there. Hot pink for Liz. And then we've got icy blue again. Another orange. OMG, please don't tell me, is that Aurora Borealis? Oh, wow. You see the difference here? It's got like a, I don't know, that's a very interesting drill, because you see where these are like the one colour. This has got like a metallic sort of shine on it. Oh, I'll have to speak to Tessa, because I'm not 100% sure, because I don't work with Aurora Borealis that much. I'll have to check with Tessa to see if that is an Aurora Borealis, but it definitely looks nice. You see the difference here? These are all clean. So we've got that nice blue, we've got another blue, a couple of reds. See, again, that, if that's the same colour as, that jewel there, I could pinch that. But then again, I do have some spares here that I've just seen, so yeah, we'll have to go to the drawing board on that one. We got a yellow and another yellow and a blue, but oh man, I've never seen that sort of vibe before. So that is beautiful. So yeah, I'll check with Tessa on that one. And then next is, last but not least, is this one. Now, when I got this, because I no longer do the bags, I stopped opening them up on the bags because number one, it's time consuming. Number two, it allows me to tackle any issues with the paintings before we go to the video. Although on that shape I didn't notice them drills, because obviously when I get them out, I don't undo the cellophane. I just assume that they're okay, and then go from there, because you don't want to open it and then do like, you know, do a video and then like have to pretend the reaction, if you get me. You want to see it for the first time. But this one had a problem with the cellophane. So this one I have taken a look at. But as you can see, it is our little bird family. And it's the mum, the dad, and the two chicks. Now, my brother actually has this bird. It's currently over at Chelmsford at the moment. But they've had like this big argument. There's been a big argument. And he's now got to come back over to Whittam. I'll be honest, I haven't missed him. I know that sounds nasty, but he does not stop squawking. He is so loud, and compared to a budgie, budgies are a lot quieter, but I don't know what they call them. I think it's like a cockatiel, but I just had to have that. My brother loves them, and Harry did have a girlfriend, but unfortunately Brittany died, so I don't know what happened there. I wasn't laughing because he died. I was laughing because Britney is like a famous singer, isn't it? But as you can see, I had to have that because I think he would love that. And I'm going to try and get some blue washi tape. But you can see it is sections of colour block as well. But these are going to be absolutely gorgeous. And when I showed my brother, he was like, right, do it then, because he wants to see it. 24 colours, and it's like that one I got on the little, was it a dog that I got? Yeah, it's like a cockatiel sitting on a dog. I remember that one that I got. We'll go our tray here, and we'll put that to one side. And the next thing we've got here, so Teresa, what do you suggest for these dirty drills in that shape? Because I'm in two minds. Obviously, I'm going to have to report it as a damage because it shouldn't be like that. And number two, I don't know whether to wash them. I don't know whether to just wipe them over. I'm really torn on what to do on that. So what do you think? So this is our belt train. As you can see, we've got a coffee colour, we've got a brown, very gorgeous mahogany colour there, and a brown. And did you know, yeah, yesterday Chamber of Secrets was on. I'm filming this on the 24th of October. And then I was listening to, looked up at the TV, and Chamber of Secrets was on. So really, really good. We've got a bit, see there, this has got like that dusty stuff on it as well. We've got a nice sort of turquoisey blue there. A very, very, very nice light blue. That's hurting my eyes a bit. We've got a sort of banana colour there, and a purple and a bright blue. Again, a very sort of vibrant colour. A brown, a couple of blues, got another brown, and a sort of grey colour, an orange, a honeycomby colour, a very sort of vanilla colour, a grey, a couple of blues again, another grey. Why do they not keep like all these greys together? I don't know. We got a light grey. With grey, I don't like it too dark. I like it like a light grey, like this one. A black and a purple. So, let us know what your favourite is. Is it this one here? We've got our little doggy, because that is the end of the unboxing now. We've got ourselves these beautiful birds. And we already know what that one's called. We can name him after Harry. His real name is Gray, but I nickname him Harry because Gray sounds like the killer in EastEnders. So, we got that. We have our little rocket painting. Rocket Man, da, 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 da. You know that song from Elton John? We have ourselves this beautiful, lovely sheep. I love it. Was that the last one? Yeah, hang on. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. So let us know what your favourite is. Obviously, do give me ideas what you think we should do with them very horrible, dirty drills that we've got. And I will see you next time for another video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing. And if you haven't done so already, tap that notification bell. That will give you a notification so that you don't miss out on the diamond painting action on this channel. And also subscribe to the channel. It's totally free of charge and we'd love to have you here. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time for another